Hello. So today we're gonna be unboxing Red Velvet's birthday situation albums. I got this for Christmas and it's already January 12th. The reason why I'm opening this late was because I wanted to go to the K-pop store and see if they had the other versions that I was missing. I didn't see any birthday albums there, and I haven't gone to any of the other K-pop stores, and I don't think I'm gonna go anytime soon, so I was just like, might as well just open it now. The ones that I'm missing is the other version for the photo book. I'm missing the Seulgi Mini, and then the cake ones, but obviously the cake ones are already really hard to get, so I'm completely giving up on those. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I know this is a new angle, so bear with me. I was trying to get like the tripod to set up with the bigger camera. Couldn't find it. This is what we're gonna deal with until I find it next time. So yeah. Okay, so while I open this, let's talk about the music, the track list. Honestly, Birthday isn't a song that I particularly enjoyed, liked as much as the other releases. I think they were trying to do like a mix of Velvet and Red, and it just kind of like fell off for me because it definitely sounded more Red than Velvet. And obviously I missed the Velvet side. It's my favorite. And then for the B-sides, there wasn't like any of them that I personally was like, oh my god, I'm so downloading this ASAP. I know my sister did download a couple. I think it was Celebrate, one of them. I can't remember. But yeah. Okay. I hope you guys can see that well. Oh, I forgot to take out the inclusions. Okay. We're just gonna see them together. Seulgi! Okay. I'm trying to feel where the inclusions could be. Oh, here's in English. Ah, it's the birthday lyrics. I was like, what is this? Okay, Irene, looks great as always. The Polaroid have me. Okay. Where were they? Am I going insane? Okay, I think they're here. So I'm gonna just slide these out. Ooh. Okay, I think this can cover it, whatever it is. Ooh. Okay. I think that's everything. Yeah. Ooh. Is that a mini apple? Oh my god. We have Yeti, Wendy. Keep Wendy. They keep giving Wendy crop tops. That's a lot of food. I mean, I like this concept. I also like the dark pink one where they were with Carve, I believe it was. I like that. Enjoy. The blurring of some of the should blur this. Bye bye, okay. skip one? I did. Wendy. Soggy making a mess. All of them making a mess. This is like a pretty big, thick photo book. The quality is good. Okay, on the right. This one I remember. I don't remember how it sounds like. Oh, this is the concept that I like. Zoom, I don't remember how Zoom sounds like that either. Oh gosh. See this concept? Amazing. Imagine if they were to release like a rad concept. Like this. Amazing. She is so pretty. Yeti. I like her hat. Okay, celebrate. And Sophie. She always looks good. Did I skip another one? No, okay. Okay, this one's cool. I like that one. Okay, then credits. Okay, the city's out of place. Okay, that's the back. Spiders. Okay. Now for the inclusions. So we have this. Stickers. And then let's do the postcard. 1, 2, 3. Is that Wendy? It's Wendy. Oh yeah. Now the goal is always to put Sogi and then buy Wendy off, but please let it be Sogi. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's Irene. It's Irene. I tend to pull her quite a bit, so this is a cute photo card. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Okay, so these were our goals for this version. Okay, I believe this is like the Digipad. We have Sogi's and Wendy's version. Let's open Wendy since we pulled her first. So yeah. Okay. Okay, we have a poster. I think this is like the Espa. Okay, so this is the front. Sorry. Can you see it? And the back. I believe the city is here. Yeah, the city's right there. Okay, this is the city. Right here. Let's check out this poster. I think it's a group poster. Oh, it's a member one. Oh, it's Wendy. I don't know if we're gonna get like the same members that you have the CD for. I have not seen any unboxing. So, okay. Excuse my cat. Not mine, my sister's cat. It just wants to open the window. Oh, this is cool. Honestly, if you aren't like a huge Velvet collector, I think just getting the Digipack is probably like a pretty good idea. Cause like that's a really nice photo book, especially if you only have like one bias. Okay. Now for the photo card. 1, 2, 3. So cute. Oh my god. That's so nice. Heck yeah. And it's purple. Oh, hey, it's purple. Oh, that's a different bear. That's not her normal bear. Let me show you. Okay, so this will be her, I guess, normal bear. Right there, and then this is this one. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's it for that. Pulled Sogi photo card and the Wendy poster. Nice. The Sogi version. It's kind of like already. Like it's so loose. It feels like it's already open. My bear. Okay, so this is the front. I think it's essentially the same. Just the cake is different. And the color is different. It says red velvet on the side. In the back. Okay, posters here. Get the CD out. Alright, this is the CD. Okay. Let's look. Poster. Oh, it's a different number. Okay, so it's the poster is the thing for the CD, I guess. Or did I just get lucky? Watch me pull Wendy for the photo card then. Okay. Okay, let's go to the photo book. Cute. See, the cakes are just. Okay, so it's a different one. Like the group photos are different. Okay. Now for the photo card. 1, 2, 3. Joey. You pull Miss Joey. Cute. Oh. The signature. It's in like a different color. Hold on, is Sylvia's like that too? No, so long as it's black. I like that. It's cute. Okay. Oh, isn't she the chicken? Yellow? Nice. Okay, so we have, I guess she'll be my bias wrecker. Nice pull. Last but not least, we have the Smitty. Is this supposed to like you put it together situation?
It's trying really hard. Okay, there you go.
Can you open it? Wait. Can you open it? You can. It's so tiny. Okay. Let me put it back in the case. Okay. It's so cute. Okay. So cute. This is the back, by the way. Okay. Now let's do this. We'll deal with this little bit later. Okay. I don't know where the photo card is at. Is it just you opening it's there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait, is it 2? Oh no, it's like a little information thingy. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. I'm so glad I pulled her. Okay. This is her normal signature. That is so nice. Good job. Good job to my parents for picking this up. We have amazing pulls. I tried, but I cannot with the nails, so I'm gonna have my sister help me out with this, and then it'll be fixed. I'm not sure if I want to put it on my phone, you know, because I have a pop socket that I need to put on my phone, which is the Girls' Generation 15th anniversary, and it's a cake. Honestly, I think it was pretty good. Like, I am in love with my pools. I only have to basically trade 2 photo cards, the Irene and the Joy. But otherwise, nice. Now, I don't know about the inclusions. Like, I don't know how many cards are in each album. I'm guessing it's just 1 for this, 1 for this, maybe 2 for this because there's 2 versions. Plus the cake. We all know the cake ain't gonna work out, so that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this very chaotic, weird, and